Exploding cow turds.
That's payback for the mud blast the other day.
And the dangers of riding on caliche through New Mexico. Last time we rode across the majority of Oklahoma, straight, flat, muddy, and sandy road, up into Kansas to refuel, grab a fireworks show, and camp overnight in the city park before waking up the next morning and riding through 4 states.
Elkhart, Kansas. Nice overnight in the city park here, right next to the pool. Got a water slide. This place is pretty awesome. It's a tiny little town. Man, they got that's the courthouse over there. They got a nice little park here. This thing is pretty impressive for a tiny little town. I think the girl at the convenience store said 4,000 people. Nice houses. Yeah, this looks like more something like 20, 30, 40,000 people. I don't know where this money's coming from, but looks like they spin it well. Well, how was it?
Fantastic.
Dude, I slept in. Thought I'd be up before now, but the plan this morning is to just hit it. Trinidad, Colorado. It's 4 states away. Think we can do it? Back to Oklahoma, New Mexico, Colorado. Let's see if we can do that.
Day 5. We ended up in Elkhart. We traveled 308 miles. We had 7 hours of travel, 7 hours and 24 minutes of traveling time for an average moving speed of 42 miles per hour. Again, that was 308 miles.
I just have to say it was a great night spent in Elkhart, Kansas. Thanks for the fireworks. Thanks for the place to stay. And we're headed back south towards the Trans-America Trail and then back east after filling up our tanks and our bellies and getting a good night's rest. And man, it's just really great being in Kansas.
Don, we're not in Kansas anymore.
The temperature started dropping. We left Kansas 69 degrees and it's now below 66. You get a liner to break some of that wind because the wind cuts right through this. We're at 4,000 feet headed towards New Mexico. I think that has something to do with it too. Flood. Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, she don't want to turn. How's it going back there? Man, it's crazy. Welcome to Oklahoma, baby. Okay, no more mud for us. No, for some reason I was like, that's a river. Yeah, no, we're not going that way. Fuck. That is the route, though. That is the route. That's what you get. That's what you get when you follow the tracks of the Trans-America Trail. That's what you get. That's our route. There's where we just came from. There's where we're supposed to be going. Fuck that. It's just right around the corner. Yeah, I'm pretty certain. Well, I really haven't come to terms with it yet. I'm just making fucking executive decisions as we go and going, nah, I ain't fucking doing that. I ain't fucking playing. Would you call it Tat Bunkhouse? Great Plains Bunkhouse. And they got a website, so I missed the sign, but that's okay. If you missed that, you're not looking very closely. Where are we at?
New Mexico,
I guess so.
baby.
Let's keep going.
Let's do it.
We only spent a few miles and a few minutes on pavement in New Mexico, but shortly after entering, we passed this Jeep, which was also navigating the trail. And I missed the turn on the dirt and had to circle back. The Jeep was turning in, and I decided I wanted to get back in front of the Jeep before we had to eat its dust. And I wiped out in this turn because the turn was covered in caliche, which is a hard soil. When it's dry, at least it's hard. And in this case, it turned to concrete, and they poured gravel on top of it for some reason. As you can see, the skid marks here of me sliding around. The audio wasn't real good, so I just decided to talk over this part. But you can see the slide here, and I may make a video talking about caliche and the danger, although this was really the most dangerous part that I encountered. The rest of it's just like concrete. As long as they don't pour gravel on top of concrete, well, you know, you've ridden in loose gravel on pavement before. But this, I mean, you should consider caliche as pavement unless it's wet, and then it gets pretty slick. Once we caught up with this traveling couple and their dog, we gathered our wits, or at least I tried to gather what was left of my wits, and tucked my tail and left the worst crash that I had this whole trip. I was traveling, I don't know, 15, 20 miles an hour when I hit the ground. Luckily, I had pretty decent gear on, and the only damage I received to my body was a scraped top of my hand was scraped. I hit something on the bike. Even though I had gloves on, I still busted the skin. But I'm riding on caliche here, as you can see. It's really good traction. It's, you know, there's going to be gravel on top of this too, but it's similar to the gravel that you might see on a gravel road, so it's not that bad. But yeah, hitting it at speed is not something you want to do. You don't want to take this concrete lightly. But yeah, what a beautiful landscape, huh?
And that's caliche. I'm thinking we're not going to have any kind of problem at all, but I'm filming just in case. This kind of looks kind of muddy. It feels solid. Looks deep, but it feels solid. Oh yeah, we're good. Just keep in it. Woo! Get your ass on the road. I'm gonna make a hamburger out of your ass. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Goddamn. You threw doo-doo on my bike too, you bunch of bitches. Front eye view. Posted, really.
Left.
Where are we going?
Left.
Left, of course. Posted. Posted on fucking county road.
Got like putting a road closed sign on the road. Fucking farmers. Got the mud coming up. Oh, this does not look good. I think I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, fuck that. I don't know what we got out there, but I know we got turds everywhere. I just ran into the gold mine of turds. Can he film and keep it in the road at the same time? Can he do it?
Go for it.
Ah, really good skill to have. Yeah. I just took a shit. That's payback for the mud blast the other day. And hell, that wasn't even. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Got him. Got him.
Got him!
I got him.
Got him!
Got him.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah. That was all. Look, dude. That was all the shit that was on the road. It magically popped up off the road onto your boot. That was not that big.
These nuts.
Ow, ow. Oh, big hit. All right, dead end. Oh, no, there it is. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at those little buildings, man. That's
Camouflage. Yeah, this is where he's gonna start climbing.
I can dig it. More water. I think I'm gonna go left. This spot. This could be kind of slick. It looks kind of slick. Nah, got good grip. Just stay in the rut. All right, look kind of sandy.
Go down here. We're going up on top of the little ridge here.
Okay. Now, this is the stuff that I love. It's all good. Maybe there's some tricky stuff in it, but it's all good. It's beautiful and we're surrounded by the
There's a
nature.
reward. There's
Yeah,
a reward for the trick.
Thank you. You just nailed it. It's reward. It's not just a fucking struggle for struggle's sake. There's reward. There's, oh my gosh, I got to the top of this mountain. And look at this fucking view. More mud. Stay in the rut. It's all dry. It's all good because it's all dry. All right, whenever you need to take a break, I'm ready.
No, they put. We're not trespassing this trail. 100 videos out. It's 100 videos out.
Okay. That still don't mean we're not trespassing, but
Not trespassing. Anybody can put a post-it sign up. This is funny.
well, no, that's exactly what I'm saying. But I think you're missing my point.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Well, I still think you're missing my point, but it's what I'm trying to say is you can claim the land. You can actually claim the land, and if the county can say, well, you're not going to claim the land because there's other people that live out here. We're gonna keep the road maintained for these people, so it's not your land. But if nobody else lives out there, the county can choose to go, okay, it's your
Fuck
land.
it. We're not going to maintain it. All right, this is going to get steep and technical. This is going to get steep and technical.
All right, we're just getting technical. And one of them was pretty bold. Dead end. That was the sign, right? Dead end. It led into two other roads. I'm pretty sure this has to be maintained. I mean, look at this rock wall over here. Oh, fuck yeah, man. I wish I could look over here to the left, but oh yeah. Okay, man. Woo! Goat track. Damn, it's starting to warm up, son. I had to take this liner off. I think we'll stay high. A little bit more level over here. It's still right there.
Woo!
That's what I'm fucking talking about, baby. Maybe that's what they mean by posted. Don't be bringing your ass up here and camping right there. It's my land.
That is, so you have time to say no trespassing. I don't see it right now. I think there will be your camp out there.
Yeah, probably not. It's pretty nice day.
It's a standoff. And he parts it like the Red Sea. These motherfuckers went right back out of the road. Oh my god, they have completely fucking blocked me. Oh.
turn my shit off and see if maybe they'll. Now they're moving.
You leave my friend alone! Problem is they're right here in the damn alley.
No.
Yep, back in the road. There you go. That's a lot of meat right there. That is a lot of meat. I gotta make that into pork tonight. That'll be fun. What in the hell's going on here?
Oh, what the hell is it?
Welcome to Colorado, young man.
Thank you.
Oh.
Luckily, we survived the pretty intense hailstorm in Trinidad thanks to the Trails Inn Motel, and we also grabbed a quick shower before another viewer, Matt, joined us and treated us to dinner in town. It was a nice ride in. They lost quite a few leaves from the hailstorm, as you can see here on the street. But we had a couple of beers and had a nice dinner before heading back to the motel for a nice overnight in a warm bed in a nice little hotel in Trinidad, Colorado. This is a pretty cool town. I stopped here last year for the first time. I've been through Trinidad quite a few times, just never stopped. And I think this town has got a lot to offer. I hope to stop by once again my next time through. But that's all for this time. Next time, you will see Near Death and Murder.
Wow, holy fuck, this is a terror. No wonder they put this fucking sign up here. How many people died before they put the sign up? Jesus Christ. Just imagine if we were doing 40, 30 or 40, we wouldn't have stopped. We would have just got, there's no way you could have fucking dirt tracked that turn, man. There's no fucking way.